I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling.
Okay, so I went and got groceries at Aldi and Publix this morning, so I decided I would do a grocery haul. So starting out with Aldi, I got some of these Boulder sandwich bags. I normally don't like to use these, I like to use reusable ones, but sometimes like for the really messy stuff, I would rather use this. I got some barbecue sauce. They didn't have their brand. I like the Sweet Baby Ray's copycat, so I just got Sweet Baby Ray's. I was completely out of these white trash bags, so I got another thing of those. 2 packs of beef steak tomatoes, some avocados for avocado toast, some fresh peeled garlic for Ross. I got 2 things of this olive oil because I'm going to do this like deep fried potato recipe. And then I got some eggs, some hot dog buns, some onions, sorry, excuse me. 3 things of this yogurt because that's completely out. A bottom round roast. It was the one that had the least amount of fat. I'm going to make beef jerky with it. I got 3 things of this broccoli stir fry for this chicken chow mein meal. They're always out of this, so I finally decided to stock up. I got 2 things of this strawberry applesauce. Every time I go, they're out of it, and it's amazing, so I got more. Tortillas, they had a good date. 2 things of these buns. And then I was completely out of napkins, so I got 2 packs, one to put out and one to save. And then moving on to Publix, I got a watermelon. I wanted to get like 1 cut so I could see if it was good or not. This was $2 on sale, and it's just peach tea. It's really good. And then some parsley. Aldi didn't have it. For the potato meal. And then lastly, at Publix, I got some Inca Cola. The cans are so much better than the 2 liters, so I just got that. Okay, so I went to Trader Joe's today and got a few like frozen items and a few other items that I just wanted to do a haul on. So I saw this mildly sweet and spicy beef and broccoli. Thought that would be really good with rice, so I got that. And then the frozen fruit is like actually cheaper than Aldi, so I got some frozen strawberries. I did get 3 bags of Trader Joe's broccoli florets. I got some organic mango chunks, I love those. And then some peach slices, I've never tried them. And then some blueberries. This is actually my mom's buttermilk, so I'll have to give that to her. And then I saw this everything but the bagel yogurt dip, and it just sounded so good. I love everything with the bagel seasoning and everything, so I'm excited to try that. And then the things that I actually got, this is just on pineapple I got at Walmart. Got some peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. Sounded so good. I got some salsa verde. It just looked really good. And then I love the Green Goddess like salad dressing. So I got this seasoning. I've tried this before. It's like kind of like Big Mac sauce. It's so good on burgers. And then the last thing is just another one of these olive oils from Trader Joe's for $5.99. It's such a good deal because like I normally get this at Aldi, but it's like $3 for like, you know, much smaller. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of a long one and it's full of a lot of cleaning motivation. So I'm just starting by spraying the bathtub with Dawn Power Wash. I actually love washing or like cleaning the tub with it. I just spray it on and let it sit, and then I come back to it. Now I'm just moving on to making the bed. Yes, the bedroom was a mess. I had just gotten back from Tennessee, so I had like a suitcase on the floor, so I then unpack it after making the bed.
close to
Now I'm just doing a little restock. Okay, so after the Dawn Power Wash had soaked in, I just take this Scotch-Brite little sponge kind of thing. It's really helpful in cleaning the tub. So I'm just doing that right now.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Now I'm just hanging up some of the things that were in my suitcase so I can put them away.
Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine.
Okay, so now I had some laundry that I needed to get put away, so I'm just putting that away right now.
Same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all.
Now that the tub is completely clean and dry, I'm just putting it back together.
I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
Okay, and now I'm just finishing cleaning the rest of the bathroom.
Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no. Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be.
Okay, and now I'm just starting to clean the second bathroom.
Waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go
Now I decided that I needed to pick up the couch.
again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now?
Okay, now I just wanted to clean this mirror, so that's what I'm doing.
So we can never be the same. How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me.
My rainbow air purifier needed refilled, so I'm just adding the peppermint essential oil and then the water so it can make the air smell very fresh.
Let me hold
Now I'm cleaning the second bathroom tub. I'm just cleaning it with Dawn Power Wash as well.
What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
Now I'm just moving on to cleaning the kitchen, putting some groceries away and cleaning it.
I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just your number, I will let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase, like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see it's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Can't get enough.
Now it was time to clean this office, so everything from Christmas and whatnot I had just thrown into my office, so now it was time to pick it up. It desperately needed
Do
it.
you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Now I'm just unloading the dishwasher and then I move on to cleaning the sink.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Now I just kind of wanted to do a deep clean on my kitchen table, so I'm removing everything off from the table and then cleaning the table.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
This is now the next day, and I'm just taking the ornaments off from the tree and taking the tree down.
Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. My bad temper, what am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about. It's not about us. Don't think I'm ready for you. Don't think you're ready for me either. I know you've been with her too long. It's okay, I'm just saying. What if she told you that she still likes you and she wants you to come back? Would you go and pretend like I'm nothing, although you want her, want her, want her? I need you back, back, back. 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 Tryna figure who I am, and I want us both to understand.
Now I'm bringing out my regular decor, and I'm happy to have my llama back in the living room. Now I'm just removing the rest of the decor.
What if she told you that she still likes you and she wants you to come back? Would you go and pretend like I'm nothing, although you want her, want her, want her? I need you back, back, back. 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 You can have your cake and eat it too. If you choose that you will lose.
I did not get everything removed that day, so now it's the next day again, and I'm just removing everything else.
You loving someone else.
Now I'm just restocking the eggs. Now it's time for me to vacuum the whole house. They really needed it.
아주 우연히 듣게 된 그 노래 나도 모르게 숨죽여 들었어 색이 바래진 그날의 기억을 모른 척하려 두 눈을 감았어 이젠 아무렇지 않다고 믿었던 나 너란 기억이 다물지 못했나 봐 함께 들었던 그때 그 멜로디가 들려 남기지 못해 멈춰진 시간 속에 그 노래 네가 좋다면 언젠가 들려준 곡 흔하디 흔한 그저 그런 love song 그런 그 노래가 왜 이제 와서야 모든 가사가 다 내 얘기가 된 거야 흐덜거리던 그때 네 목소리가 들려 미소 짓곤 해 아련한 기약 속에 그 노래 우연이라도 혹시 마주친다면 그때 말해주려 해
Okay, now it was time for me to mop. I'm mopping with Dr. Bronner's peppermint.
있어 그 노래 'Cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side. Drifted away into the tide, but now it's maybe back. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. Used to be me, now I just wanna leave. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Let go, let go, let go, let it go. You'll never be enough. That's why I gave you up. Strangers again. When you stepped into my life, such a magic
Now, something I'd
feeling.
really been wanting to do as kind of like, I guess, a New Year's resolution is to organize everything underneath my sink and in my drawers. So I bought some stuff at Target to do so.
But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Again, I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. Strangers again. Now that we parted, I better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Like strangers again. another season we leave behind, another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind.
Okay, and now I'm just putting some of my Christmas decor away in this storage bin that I've purchased at Target. Now I also decided to tackle underneath my kitchen sink because a lot of things I'm not using under here, so I just wanted to reorganize it and clean it and everything.
I'm all alone down the steady road, just full of thoughts about to explode, facing the night. Even though I won't believe it, the truth is the light we are healing. Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me. I gotta get away from here. I gotta get it through my head that even though I lost, I'll find something better. I'm running all around this town. This feeling has me stepping down, but I don't wanna have to break too much stronger. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see.
Now I'm just restocking this Mrs. Myers soap. I'm using the rest of it, and then I'm restocking the other soap as well.
There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful day and Happy New Year!
The sun